afternoon.
I'm fine, thank you.
It is nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
I want to ask about your family.
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is blah blah blah.
How old are you?
I am blah blah blah.
How many persons are at your home?
There are about blah 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 person.
Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my sister, and my brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have blah 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 sister.
How many brothers do you have?
I have blah 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 brother.
What is the name of your sister?
My sister name is blah blah blah.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is blah blah blah.
How old is your brother?
He is about blah blah blah.
How old is your sister?
She is about blah 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 years old.
Are you a younger or oldest?
I am blah blah blah.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is blah blah blah.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is blah blah blah.
What is your father's job?
My father's job is blah blah blah.
What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is blah blah blah.
I think that's all. Thank you very much.
You